Hi guys, welcome back
to another video.
Today we're doing a taste test, and
you should say thank you. I let my bottle borrow my sleep mask for this taste test. And
okay, so you guys, right when someone's blind, so this is how it works. Someone's blindfolded like this, then someone picks out a food in the pantry, and that person has to eat the food that they suggest, and they try to guess what item they just put in their mouth.
And Tommy might eat Cheetos.
We did 5 rounds, and I might have to eat some weird stuff like.
And Tommy might have to eat Cheetos.
Yeah, because I don't like I don't really like Cheetos that much. Like
You haven't even tried them.
In a while, so. So she's gonna show the item to you, and this is the first round, round 1.
Okay, put the sleep mask on.
Round
Close
1.
your eyes and nothing. I hope somebody can peek through that. What should pick? This is gonna be in the spoon.
Okay. I hope this is not bad though. I'll kind of.
This is gonna be in the spoon.
Okay.
Okay. Let's grab a spoon. Not a big one because we're just having a.
She's gonna like show it to you on the camera what she's putting. I'm scared. I'm actually kind of scared.
I'm done. I'm gonna put the cover on. So it doesn't go bad. Put it back in the pantry. Okay. Oh, gonna show you guys the item. Jeez, I just spilled something. That's fine. We still have more left. Look, I'm gonna have to show the camera. Oh, jeez. I spilled it.
Okay, doesn't really matter. I can't hear it. I can't smell it.
Okay, Tommy, I need to get more because it's spilled.
Okay.
Good
Guys, oopsie doopsies.
Oopsie doopsies. All I use is the same one I had to open oil. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't spill this time. We'll see about that. Oh. I need to go near.
Is it showing me on the camera?
It's showing you and me. I gotta go back a little bit if you want to see this. Okay, this is it. Taste it.
Again? Applesauce.
Yes!
Oh, you spilled it!
Yeah, I know.
Pick that up. I'll pick that up. Ow.
Oh, you okay?
Yes, I just hit it. I just hit myself. Oh dear. Throw this away.
Oh, geez, that's
Okay, this is gonna be a good round for me because it's gonna be really disgusting. Or is it gonna be disgusting?
I don't know. I'm just gonna.
You have to close your eyes and nothing and no peeking. I face this way. I would face it. No, you're not in the camera. Move your chair. Now you're in the camera. You're in the camera.
Okay, I'm gonna move to your seat.
This is gonna be a hard one.
I don't know what it is. I hear crunchy noises.
Okay, ready? Oh, enough.
Is it in a spoon?
No, it's just regular. Ready?
Yeah. It's a bar.
Yeah, what kind of ball?
Peanut butter.
Nope. You like it?
Chocolate.
Yeah. Do you like it?
No. Not much.
She doesn't like it.
It's a raisin.
I hope that she does next one picks Cheetos. This is gonna be a terrible round of Cheetos. Ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna ruin my life forever. Ready? I'm closing my eyes.
Okay, this is what I guess.
I'm gonna plug my ears so I don't hear what it is. Like,
Tommy, it's upside down.
It's upside.
Molly, look at his mask. The mask.
It's upside down. You gotta flip it over, Tommy. Yeah, that's better. Bud, that's better. Ooh, I know what I'm gonna pick.
hi. I'm high. Bye. Hi. Bye. Bye.
I'm chewing it right now.
Okay, cool. I guess something that she likes. I'm thinking. I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna show it to the camera. Tommy. I need to be in the camera too.
Sorry. Am I in the camera too?
No, yeah, you're in the camera too.
Ready? Yummy.
Eat Cheetos?
That's good.
Then maybe you can have more.
Let me try a full one. See if I like Cheetos.
I love Cheetos.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I put Cheetos over just in case I need them.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Good. Give me the mask. Yay. Say bye guys. Okay. Is it showing the camera?
Yeah.
What is that? Where is that coming from? The pantry or the fridge? What is that?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not very sure.
I'm scared.
This one's gonna be in the spoon.
I feel like he's gonna sneak to the back when we get a warhead.
Not going to.
So sour.
Ready?
Yeah.
Open your mouth. This is a bad one. This is worms.
No, give me the spoon.
No, I'm gonna put it in your mouth.
No.
Yes. Ready? Go.
Mm.
3.
Mm.
It's not bad. You don't like. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and nothing. Ready? It's actually good. Or is it good? Are you afraid? Eat it. You like it?
What is it?
We can have one of them. So this is yours.
I love it.
We can split that one like later at dessert. Let's split that one. Who love these?
That was the best ever.
No, you can have the whole thing. You can have the whole thing.
It is the best way ever.
And that is the end of the video, you guys. Bye.